Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to check Jeep Wrangler transmission fluid. Start by parking on level ground and engaging the parking brake. Warm the engine until normal operating temperature and leave the transmission in park or neutral. Locate the transmission dipstick or fill plug, clean around it, then remove and wipe it. Reinsert the dipstick fully, pull it again, and assess fluid level, color, and smell for burning or contamination. In this video, I will show how to check Jeep Wrangler transmission fluid. Begin by assembling gloves, rags, a flashlight, and a funnel so you have everything within reach. Ensure the vehicle is stable and cool enough to work on, and always wear gloves and eye protection to guard against hot fluid. Keep a catch pan nearby in case you need to capture fluid while topping off or inspecting the drain plug. In this video, I will show how to check Jeep Wrangler transmission fluid. Pull the dipstick, wipe it clean, reinsert it fully, then withdraw it again to check the level accurately. Note the fluid color and smell as you inspect. Healthy fluid is pink or red and translucent, while dark or brown fluid and a burnt odor indicate problems. Record your findings and decide if topping off or a service visit is needed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.